Pause. Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. If you love gardening as much as I do, you're always on the lookout for simple, effective tips to keep your garden thriving. Today, I'm sharing an amazing hack to 10 benefits of putting just 1 spoonful of baking soda in your garden. You heard that right. Let's dive right in. First up, baking soda is a natural fungicide. If you've got powdery mildew or other fungal diseases, a solution of baking soda and water can help keep those at bay. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water and spray it on the affected plants. Second, it's an incredible weed killer. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda on the weeds in the cracks of your walkway or driveway and watch them wither away. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Third, it can sweeten the taste of your tomatoes. Add a small amount of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants. This reduces soil acidity, making your tomatoes taste sweeter. Fourth, it repels pests. Ants, roaches, and slugs dislike baking soda. Sprinkle a bit around your garden to keep these pests at bay. Fifth, baking soda can rejuvenate your compost. If your compost pile is a bit too acidic, baking soda can help balance the pH level. Just a sprinkle is all you need. Sixth, it helps your flowers bloom. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to your water when watering your flower garden. It can help them bloom more vibrantly. Seventh, it keeps your garden tools clean. Make a paste with baking soda and water, and use it to scrub off rust and grime from your tools. They'll be as good as new. Eighth, it neutralizes soil acidity. If your soil is too acidic, adding a bit of baking soda can help balance it out, making it more suitable for a wider range of plants. Ninth, it can soothe insect bites and stings. If you get bitten while gardening, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the affected area. It'll reduce itching and swelling. Finally, number 10. Baking soda can deter rabbits. Sprinkle a bit around the perimeter of your garden to keep those furry nibblers away from your precious plants. There you have it, folks. 10 fantastic benefits of using baking soda in your garden. It's a simple, inexpensive solution that can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!